Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're tackling a core concept in mathematics, logarithms.
You've probably seen that log button and thought, what's that for? Well, it's a huge deal. And it's all about something you already get, exponents. They're basically two sides of the same coin. So here's the big reveal. A logarithm is just the exponent. That's it. See? These two look different, but they're saying the exact same thing about these three numbers. So a logarithm just asks a question. For this one, it's 3 to what power gets you 81? And get this, it even works with negative exponents. The relationship is always the same. Okay, here are two really useful shortcuts. These rules always work, no matter the base. But to really see their power, you've got to know the three main laws. Let's go. First up, the product's law. It turns tricky multiplication into simple addition. How cool is that? And you guessed it, the quotient law does the same for division. It just becomes subtraction. And the power law, this one's my favorite. It turns exponents into simple multiplication. So now we have these awesome tools. We can use them to expand or shrink logs. Okay, look at this beast. How would we even expand it? Let's just follow the rules. It's pretty simple, really. We just apply our laws one by one, starting with the division. And boom, that complicated mess becomes a nice, clean line of simple logs. And this works in reverse, too. You can condense a bunch of logs back into one. So let's try it. How do we squeeze all of this into just one single logarithm? Same idea, just backwards. We move the numbers out front, back up into exponents, then combine. And look at that. The whole thing just shrinks right down to this single, simple answer. This is exactly why they were invented, to make crazy, complicated calculations way, way easier. So the big takeaway? Logarithms transform operations. They literally change the game. It's not new math, It's just a new language for looking at old ideas. So what other math concept is just a fresh perspective on an old idea? Something to chew on.